En video sí se puede. All I know, guys, is that when people say Chevy paint job is a complete nightmare, they're not playing. I've been on this thing I started around 2, well, about 3 polishing, and it's currently like 6:30, and I'm almost done. I still gotta do the passenger door, the hood, and the front, and the top. So imagine, and it's not coming out perfect. This is a complete nightmare. Now, the paint ain't gonna be perfect, guys. Obviously, there's some rock chips and whatnot, but just look at the difference between a side that's polished and a side that's not polished. I mean, it's a night and day, right? Literally what I've been doing all day is I switched from one polisher to the other one more for cutting and then the other one basically for refining the paint, because I've been trying literally like every pad color, every combination you can think of, and it's just stressing, man. This paint right here is absolute nightmare for any detail. I don't care who you are. So bad right there. Look at that, guy. Much better. Much better. By far the most stressful day detailing of my life so far. This truck is, I don't even know how to explain it. This truck is absolutely a headache. I've been on it for like 5 hours just about, and I still gotta do the hood and the front and the top. The worst paint ever, period. What's up, baby? No?
Okay.
Give me a kiss. I love you.
I love you.
Oh my God. But one thing is for sure though.
Bobby.
What's up?
No.
Oh yeah, it's okay. Now that I got my feet wet with the worst paint, clear coat on possibly on any car or truck, now I'm gonna get more confident when it comes to detailing other cars. Man, polishing Asian cars is, oh, you can almost do it with your eyes closed. It's so easy to clear coat, just literally like melts as you polish. You don't even have to use aggressive compound. I'm using the most aggressive compounds you can think of basically. Look, Sonax, I got Cut Max 04-06, Manzerna. Right now I'm using Sonax and Manzerna because, oh my God, I'm just stressed.
Tiene que decir ahí cuánto. El amarillo está jugando ahí, va.
Yeah. I'm using both of them. If you need one. Alright guys, day number 2. Haven't even showered, just got up. Done with the polish. I'm done with, I did the best that I can possibly do for this thing. So, oh my God. My arms hurt, everything. I'm so sore. Like, I could be done for the whole week detailing. This truck was so hard. So now I'm just gonna top it off with the ceramic coat spray and give it that nice final touch up. And you don't want to apply a lot of this. This is a little goes a long way for this product. Guys, so I'm officially done with this truck. Absolutely nothing else I can do for it. I polished as much as I could possibly polish. It's been about 10 hours on this thing, but couldn't even fit in here. Day number 2, here you have it, final results on the polish. As you guys can see, a lot of the swirls are gone. There is some rock chips like right there, but overall it looks a lot better than it was. The paint was demolished. Looks a lot better. It ain't perfect by no means, but it is what it is, right? It's like a mirror though.